Hey friends, who's hungry? Move over, chicken nuggets. Make room for these crispy, golden brown, fried catfish nuggets served with a tangy champagne mustard sauce for dipping. In a large dish, measure 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Mix everything together. In a separate dish, measure half a cup of milk and 1 large egg. Whisk the wet ingredients together. Cut 2 pounds of U.S. farm-raised catfish fillets into 1 to 3 inch nuggets. Dip the nuggets into the milk mixture, then coat in the cornmeal mixture. Fill a large skillet halfway with cooking oil. Heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Working in batches, add the nuggets to the hot oil. Fry for 5 to 7 minutes, flipping halfway through until the cornmeal coating is golden brown. Remove the nuggets from the heat and drain on paper towels. Keep the nuggets warm while you make the champagne mustard sauce. In a small saucepan, mix together half a cup of white sugar and 1/3 cup of spicy brown mustard. Add 1/3 cup of champagne vinegar and 2 large, lightly beaten egg yolks. Cook the sauce over low heat, stirring constantly for 10 minutes until the sauce is thickened. Remove the sauce from the heat. Serve the mustard sauce either hot or cold with the hot fried nuggets. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.